Hi guys, this is Jessica with JCH Creations. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to the offset setting in Cricut Design Space. Before we dive right in, I want to mention that this feature is only available on desktops. However, Chromebooks are not compatible. The system requirements in Design Space for the offset setting is only supported by systems running Windows 10 and higher and Mac OS and higher. So what the offset does, it creates a layer for your design, adding a shadow background to your text and images, giving it a texture, dimension, and visual impact. Let's click text and choose a font to add to my canvas. I'm just going to pick a random text, so let's just scroll down and pick one of these selected fonts in the system. This one is good. We're going to add our text in this box right here. So we'll just go ahead and type out the name Jessica and select offset. I'll keep my distance slider in the middle and my curve rounded. So you can see the new layer appears on the canvas now and the shadow background. As I move this around, you can see that it is currently ungrouped. Now I want to show you that you can change the colors of the shadow and text. So I'll go ahead and change the shadow to pink and the letters to white. I like the way it looks. So let's highlight and size it down a bit before we click on Make It. Once you click on Make It at the top right hand corner of your screen, Design Space will sort out the project into mats by color. You'll then now be able to cut your vinyl and layer it successfully. If you found this tutorial helpful, you guys, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. It will inspire me to make more content for you guys, so I appreciate it so much and have a good night.